Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials and making your very first commit. Install Git, sign up for GitHub, then configure Git user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributable to you. Next, generate an SSH key and add it to GitHub to avoid repeatedly entering credentials. Once done, initialize a local repository, add a README, stage changes, and run git commit m initial commit. Finally, create the remote repo on GitHub and add origin so you can push your first snapshot. Next, you'll learn to work in parallel without breaking main. Create a branch for each feature with git checkout b and choose descriptive names so teammates understand intent. Commit often with focus changes and clear messages. This makes reviews faster. Push your branch with git push uorigin, then open a pull request on GitHub to start review. Once reviewers suggest changes, make updates locally and push. Finally, merge with merge commit, squash, or rebase, depending on your project workflow. Explain why you chose that method, and finally, automate and publish while keeping recovery steps ready. Configure GitHub Actions by adding a workflow YAML that runs tests, linting, and deployment triggers on pushes or pull requests. This ensures code quality before merging. Use annotated tags and GitHub releases to package versions. Tag locally and push tags so artifacts are discoverable. If something goes wrong, like a failed push, fetch the remote, inspect differences, and resolve conflicts locally. Also verify your SSH key or credentials. Recreating the key or re-authenticating often fixes permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.